Alright guys, since we're doing this install right now, I figured I would make a video for you guys. We're going to be changing this out to an LED kit. We're also changing this one so that ugly yellowish color light doesn't show right there anymore. It's going to be like a nice hyper light to match the LED kit. So the easiest way to change the lights on this should be like 15 to 19 WRX and STAs. Take off the 10 from here. So there's a 10 on here that we took off. When you take off that 10, that's going to snap to one of the sides. Just don't lose that. So you could put it back on. That's enough space to push this battery to the side to get your hand in there. That's the socket for the low beam. So you put your hand in there, twist counterclockwise to take off the low beam. On this side, take off one 10 from here, or you could take off these two 10s, either one. This one's easier taking off one than to take off two. That's just so you could push this back so that you could stick your hand in there. So you could twist out the H11 from there. Same thing, put your hand further in. Take off the socket for the other one. I'll put the description for this product that we're going to be using for both items. I'll do a quick picture or video after we're done with the install. To put these back in, you just line up the bigger tab towards the top, two smaller tabs, push it in, twist it, lock it in place just like the factory ones. And then these ones, you kind of just push them in and wedge them. I'll show you guys. All right, you guys, so I actually ended up taking those two off also because I couldn't reach my hand in far enough to get to that little bolt to change the outer one. By taking off the one and pushing this back a little bit, I was able to reach the low beam, but I couldn't reach the other one, so I did take off that bracket after all. So on this kit, it has a plus sign and a negative sign, so you guys know that's for positive or negative. That one's for negative, the plus is for positive. So just see which side the black cable is on. The black cable is on that side, so we're gonna plug this in like this. Some manufacturers don't put that little pin on there. I mean the little plus and negative. So what you do with those, when you plug it in, put the bowl in place, just try turning it on. If it doesn't turn on one way, flip it the other way. We're gonna test this obviously on this side before we end up putting that in the 10. Same thing on the other side. Before you guys bother putting the screws back on, test your lights, make sure they turn on. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. I'll put the link for the description that we suggest for these vehicles on the link below. So the correct one to change the color of that little ring is going to be this one. So it's easier to take off that one clip from right here, so you could kind of see a little easier. Pull this socket out. You got to twist it and then pull it out. And then you just pull that bulb out and then place the new one in, put that socket back in, twist it to lock it in place. Same thing with the socket. You have one bigger tab right here and then two smaller ones on the other end. So it's only going to go in one way to twist. And then I'll do a picture or video right now so you guys can see how they look after right here. And you actually pretty cool. It has like a little plastic, like a long lever right here. So you tilt up on that, and then when you tilt up on this, you could pull the whole socket out from there. And when you put it back in, after you change the bulb, you just put the whole socket, you twist that plastic downward. Put this back, put that clip right there. Put this with the 10 and the bracket that's supposed to be right there. Put this in the correct socket, which is this longer one. You just push it in there just like you take the other one out. It's canvas, so it doesn't matter which side's positive and ground. You just put it in there, it'll work either way. You can see how much brighter this is, and it's like a way nicer 6K color. And that's the headlights. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. I'll put the link for the items that I'm using on this video. We also sell some kits that come with a 2-year warranty instead of 1-year warranty that are a little tiny bit brighter than these. Those are $80 to $90 a pair with 2-year warranty. These are $60, free shipping anywhere with 1-year warranty. Just so you guys could see the light output on them.